Class, let's review the present simple. Please complete the sentences on the board. Show us 2 different ways to teach this. Let's begin our lesson. Look at these 5 situations. What do you see? Predict the missing verbs. Match the subjects with the verbs. I think Lan goes with not like. Why did you choose that?
It's third person singular.
Here is our first sentence. They make one every month. Is the subject singular or plural?
It means we.
Please compare these 2 sentences on the board. One is singular and the other is plural. Well done! Let's complete this question. Why does come before the subject, and why does do remain in the base form? Create questions about classmates.
What does Lan do in her free time?
She paints pictures.
What does Nam do?
He plays soccer. Very good! Here is our third sentence. Choose have or has and justify it.
Subject I takes have in present simple.
That is correct! Change the subject of sentence 3. Notice which subjects require has and which require have. Look at the screen and sentence 4. Now compare these 3 options. That is correct! So why use like after does not? Right, does carries the marker. Let's use doesn't like. Mark does not like doing judo. Let's complete sentence 5. That is correct! Why does the main verb remain start?
Does your English lesson start at 6 p.m.?
No, it doesn't. It starts at 7 p.m. Class, look at these 5 completed sentences. 1 and 3 are affirmative. Now, compare the role of the main verb in each sentence type. What does Lan does in her free time? It should be what does Lan do?
Because does is already auxiliary.
Excellent reasoning. Make 1 true sentence, 1 negative, and a question. I noticed some mistakes with subject-verb agreement. Remember to use does for questions. Let's begin with the affirmative. For negative, we add not. Finally, for questions, use do or does. We say I make and we make, but it is he makes and she makes. This compound subject is plural, make.
My brother and I.
Here, my brother and I is the subject, make is the present simple verb, and a new model is the object. Make a new model every month. What plus do plus in her free time? Since Lan is third person singular, we use does. The main verb stays as do. Lan plays badminton in her free time. What does Lan do in her free time? Nam reads books in his free time. What does Nam do in his free time? We use have and has irregular forms. I have a drawing lesson every Tuesday.
I have a drawing lesson every Tuesday.
We use subject plus does not plus base verb. Does not like doing judo. So we don't say does not likes. Now repeat after. Use does with a singular subject and base verb. Lesson is singular, so start is in the base form. Now practice. Yes, no, it doesn't. Let's read the answers.
She not like coffee.
Remember, it is doesn't like, not like.
She doesn't.
My brother and I make models.
My brother makes models.
What does Lan do?
My do.
I have a drawing lesson.
She has a drawing lesson.
Judo.
Mark and Nam don't.
Please complete these sentences. Check verb agreement here. That is correct now. Students understand present simple more deeply when building sentences. Students need a clear framework. They get easily confused. Provide evidence from student performance. If students only memorize formulas, can they use the present simple naturally in a real conversation? If students repeatedly say, does Lan does, will communicate if students need meaningful examples first. Explicit structures reduce cognitive overload. Should grammar teaching begin with context? Let's debate error correction. Correct minor errors after fluency activities. But objective errors need immediate correction. Distinguish fluency stages from accuracy stages. Please design an integrated lesson. Let's use pictures and cards. I'll confirm the structures. Work together to complete these sentences. Yes! Now, who can explain why correct? Be careful verb endings there. Very good. Does this sentence make sense to everyone? Watch your spelling and punctuation.
My friends and I collect coins.
What does Nam do after school? Now ask each other questions. Discovery helps students. Explicit instruction provides structure. We agree. Experience the language. Notice the pattern. Confirm the rule. Use it meaningfully.